In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip your videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly change the orientation of a clip, flipping it is one of the easiest edits you can make in DaVinci Resolve. This can be useful if your footage looks mirrored, if you want to create a specific visual effect, or if you simply need to reverse the image horizontally or vertically. The good news is that this only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. To get started, go down to your timeline and click on the video clip that you want to flip. Make sure the correct clip is selected before moving on, because any changes you make will apply to the clip that is currently highlighted. If nothing seems to happen later, the first thing to check is whether the right clip was actually selected in the timeline. Once your video is selected, move your attention to the top right area of DaVinci Resolve and open the inspector. The inspector is where you'll find many of the controls used to adjust and customize a selected clip, including its position, size, rotation, and other visual settings. If the inspector is closed, just click it so the panel becomes visible. Inside the inspector, look for the Transform section. If it's not already expanded, click on it to open it up. This section contains the basic controls that affect how your video appears in the frame. It's the place you'll use for common adjustments whenever you need to change the look or placement of a clip. From there, find the flip options. DaVinci Resolve gives you the ability to choose the flip direction you want, depending on the result you're after. Simply click the flip option you need. If you want the image reversed from left to right, choose the horizontal flip. If you want it turned upside down, choose the vertical flip. As soon as you click the option, you should see the change immediately in the viewer. That's all it takes to flip a video in DaVinci Resolve. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can switch to the other flip option and compare the two. This is a very fast adjustment, but it can make a big difference depending on the type of footage you're working with. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to flip your videos in DaVinci Resolve.